SpongeBob SquarePant Brown Amber. Let's add a shadow effect using a darker color. Slightly add a lighter color. Ochre. Another shadow, and after that, add a dot. Maroon. Pink. Blue sky. Pearl. Red. Bronze. And now let's color the socks and shoes. Yee! Now live the last process, which is to give a light dark color and final touch. The last touch on SpongeBob to make it even more beautiful. The background is sky blue. Add flower motif in the background. And